Brand building on a budget. Creative ways to make your mark. Building a brand is essential for any business or individual looking to establish a strong reputation and grow their audience. However, building a brand can be challenging, especially when working with a limited budget. In this video, we'll explore some creative ways to build a brand on a budget, including social media marketing, influencer partnerships, and community building. By implementing these strategies, you can establish your brand, increase your visibility, and create loyal followers without breaking the bank. So let's dive in and discover how to build a brand on a budget. Identify your target audience. The first step in any social media marketing strategy is to identify your target audience. This will help you determine which platforms to focus on and what type of content to create. Start by creating buyer personas for your ideal customers. These personas should include demographic information such as age, gender, and location, as well as their interests, preferences, and pain points. Once you have a clear understanding of your target audience, you can begin to create content that resonates with them. Create a consistent brand voice and tone. Your brand voice and tone should be consistent across all your social media channels. This includes your profile picture, cover photo, bio, and content. Your brand voice should reflect your company's personality, values, and mission. It should also be tailored to your target audience's preferences. For example, if you're targeting a younger demographic, you might use a more casual and conversational tone. If you're targeting professionals, you might use a more formal and informative tone. Share valuable content. Sharing valuable content is key to establishing your brand as a thought leader in your industry. This can include blog posts, infographics, videos, and other types of content that educate, entertain, or inspire your audience. To make the most out of your content, you should also use relevant hashtags and keywords to increase its reach. You can also share user-generated content, UGC, which is content created by your customers or followers. UGC can help increase engagement and build trust with your audience. Run social media campaigns. Running social media campaigns is another effective way to increase your brand's visibility and engagement. This can include contests, giveaways, and other types of promotions that encourage your audience to engage with your brand. When planning your social media campaigns, be sure to set clear goals and metrics for success. This can include metrics such as likes, shares, comments, website traffic, and sales. Partner with influencers. Partnering with influencers is a popular and effective way to reach a broader audience and build your brand on a budget. Influencers are people with a significant following on social media who can promote your brand to their followers. To find the right influencers for your brand, start by researching influencers in your industry who have a significant following and align with your brand values. You can then reach out to them with a partnership proposal, such as offering them a discount code to share with their followers or collaborating on a product launch. When partnering with influencers, it's essential to ensure that their values align with your brand's values. This will help maintain brand authenticity and credibility. Additionally, you can track the success of your influencer partnerships by monitoring metrics such as engagement rates, website traffic, and sales. Build a community. Building a community around your brand is another effective way to establish your brand on a budget. A community can include your customers, followers, and other stakeholders who share your brand's values and mission. To build a community, you can engage with your audience on social media, respond to customer inquiries and feedback, and host events or webinars. You can also create a loyalty program that rewards customers for their engagement and purchases. This will help create a loyal following and increase word-of-mouth marketing. Additionally, you can ask your customers for feedback and reviews to help improve your products and services and build trust with your audience. Building a brand on a budget requires creativity, consistency, and authenticity. By leveraging social media marketing, influencer partnerships, and community building, you can establish your brand and create a loyal following without breaking the bank. Remember to keep your brand voice and values consistent across all your marketing channels and track your success metrics to optimize your branding strategy over time. If you liked the video, hit that like and invest in that subscribe button, and see you in the next episode.